Okay, g'day people and welcome to Substitution 3. When substituting into expressions involving squares, they're what we call quadratic expressions. According to the rules of BIDMAS, we have to work out the squares first and then take care of the rest of the expression. Here are your examples. Substitute x is 2 into these expressions. Now, we know, and we're going to practice whenever we're asked to substitute, we have to replace the letter in the questions, the letter in the expressions, with whatever we're given. So here we're replacing x with the number 2. Okay, in question 1, x squared plus 7. Now, when I'm substituting into these types of expressions, I always write my substitution in brackets. That keeps it nice and safe, just in case we're putting it in a calculator, because sometimes the calculator doesn't read things the same way as we do. Now then, x squared plus 7, we've replaced the x with a 2, we're going to square it, and then we're going to add 7. Now, according to the rules of BIDMAS, we've got to work out what 2 squared is first, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the sum. Now then, if you have a look over to the right hand side of the screen, 2 squared, that means 2 times 2, which is 4. So here we're going to replace 2 squared with 4. 4 plus 7, just to finish our sum off, 4 plus 7 is 11. There you go. There's the tick. Alright then, ladies and gentlemen. Question 2. 3x squared. Now then, same kind of approach. We're going to write 3 lots of 2 squared here. And again, using the rules of BIDMAS, we've got to work out what that 2 squared is first before we evaluate the rest. We know that 2 squared is 4, and if we've got 3 with nothing next to it, we have to multiply those two parts. 3 times 4 is 12. That's where you get your purple tick. Okay then, question 3, 4x cubed. Now this is very similar to question 2. I'm going to write in 4 lots of 2 cubed. Now then, we've got to work out what this 2 cubed is first. And if you look over towards the right hand side of the screen, put the number together 3 times. But 2 times 2 is 4, times by another 2 is 8. So we're going to have 2 cubed is 8, and we want 4 lots of that 8. 4 times 8 is 32. That's where you get your tick. Now then, x squared plus 5x plus 3. I haven't left myself a lot of room here, so I'm just going to cordon this side off. Here we go. Now, as we just have, we're going to write our substitution in brackets. So we're going to write 2 squared plus 5. Now, if we write a number in brackets next to each other, it means we're multiplying them. Plus 5 times 2, and then take away 3. This is what a typical quadratic expression is, and this is what you'll normally see at GCSE. Now then, because we've got a plus in between, we can work out this part and this part at the same time to give us, well, just to save us some time. 2 squared is 4. We're going to add on 5 times 2, which is 10, and then we're going to take away 3. Now then, if we do 4 add 10 first, we get 14. Take away the 3, we get 11. If you've got that one right, very well done. There's your tick for it. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. These are starting to get a lot harder. See you soon. Bye bye.